Honey, what you doing there? I see you got something there. That's not a Bertram.
No,
What's going on?
finishing up a little project I was doing. Um, I redid the inside, had to repair the hull, and now we're dealing with the rub rail.
So how did you get this job?
I don't know.
So you're pretty much done? How much longer do you think you got on this?
Today should be the last day, hopefully.
All right. So all you got left to do is what?
Just this crack to the front here, and some of the holes for the rub rail screws are enlarged, so I gotta close them in and make new holes.
Cool. Yeah. Get back to it.
Half of these screws,
You gotta reposition them. They all ripped out.
yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I have to close these up and put new holes right in the middle of them.
Yeah, so the past week or so, Tiny took on a project to repair this Boston railer. It had a crack on the bottom of the hull, which he had to cut out the floor, dig out foam, and repair the crack inside and out, and refoam it, and put floor back in. He had to fix a spot in the back. He re-rolled, tapped in the floor, re-rolled it with gel coat. Now he just got to put non-skid back down, and now he's fixing the rub rail. So yeah, nice little project he picked up from one of our viewers. Anyone else out there need a little projects here and there, Tony's open to taking them on if it's something he could handle. So that's what we've been up to for the past week. Well, not we, he. Alright, here's the Bertram hull. It's just as you can see how the sanding is progressing. We got the whole center section of the hull sanded front to back and along the inboard side of both stringers. In the sanding process, we discovered this. That's another cut. So what Tiny suspected is when they did the repair down here, that they actually cut this whole section of stringer out from there to here and glassed underneath, and then put it back, and then they just put it back in a terrible fashion. So definitely we're gonna do this repair first. It's lined up pretty good there, so I'm not gonna cut this loose. Just gonna grind this down, tape this off, and do a proper repair there, because you can see all they did was just put some surface glass over the cut that they made. They put some extra cuts here, probably when they were cutting out the floor, so that needs to grind down and fill back up properly. So there's a few voids and dry spots in the laminate they put here, which you gotta fix. And I reckon so I probably gotta cut from here down to the cut, that big ugly cut there, and pull it forward. I don't think I'm gonna have to cut this side. This side is okay. Down here is pretty close. So I feel once we loosen the string up from there to there, we'll be able to pull it back in the proper position and then secure it properly again. We need to grind these down, taper them off so we can do a proper repair. Yep. All along the keel there's in a couple of spots. You got one spot here and then another one or two spots as you go down towards the stern. Looks like a copper strip. Looks like it's for some grounding purposes. I'm not sure what it's for. If anybody knows what it's for, let me know. I don't know if we need it. If we need it, probably have to maybe glass a new one in and we cover this, because the ones in the back, this one there is broken off. I think there was another one a bit further back that's broken off as well. Not sure of its purpose, so if anyone could explain its use, that'd be appreciated. So here's that little repair I did right before the rain came down to seal off this wood. It hardened up and cured, but it got a little cloudy on the surface because it's laminating resin. It doesn't fully cure on the surface, it stays tacky, and the moisture, I guess, caused it to get cloudy on the surface. But other than that, it held pretty good. So when the time comes, just resand that down and do a better repair on that. We're gonna have to rebuild this. Probably gonna add a knee here to replace this old knee. Do a better job. Maybe even, I'm thinking about leaving this section open here where I could put a pump actually in the center of the V in the bilge. So when the pump kicks in, it take out almost all of the water. Where they used to be up here on either side, which left like 2 to 3 inches of water in the bilge. So I don't know how feasible that is, but we'll investigate it more as we get into it. And yeah, that's just a little quick update of what's been going on and our plans for the next step. So other than that, it was just sanding, which you all don't need to see. So until the next interesting project, which will be this repair over here, that's all.